What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on this super fun lightning bolt pattern on this 16 ounce big stemmy coffee mug from the Stainless Steel Depot. This cup has been prepped and painted a fluorescent pink. I believe it's from Krylon. And we're going to use the epoxy method to adhere our glitter, so we just need a super small amount rubbed real thin all over the whole cup. These are the glitters I'm using. This is Teenage Pink from the Inspired Angels, Cool Mom from Peachy Olive, Flip Flop from Starcraft, Sweet 16 from the Inspired Angels, Hot Flamingo also by the Inspired Angels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these glitters on just all randomly, and I'm going to start with my chunkiest glitter and work my way down to the finest glitter until it's all covered. So this cup is going to be for my sister. She wanted a birthday cup and she told me to do whatever I wanted. And I wanted this cup to just be super fun and bright. So this is what I came up with. And I love it. And I want to make one for myself. So here you can see that I did take off the bottom of this cup because I want to do a pretty glitter butt. So when I'm done applying all the glitters, I'm going to tap it off real good, and then I'm going to lightly roll it on this piece of paper to smash down any of the glitters to make sure we don't have big pieces sticking up that's going to make it hard for us when we go to epoxy. So I'm going to do 2 coats of epoxy, and then it's time to add our decals. I did do all of my sanding before the decals. I made sure to sand the rim down really well to expose a fine line of stainless steel. Now this decal gave me a hard time. I struggled a lot for some reason. I'm not used to doing like a wrap type on a cup that is rounded. So you can see that I did cut between some of these lightning bolts, but I should have cut on both sides of them. That way the bottom lightning bolt could kind of move on its own, but I didn't do that. So I ended up just cutting sections off and doing it piece by piece. It made it easier for me. After the lightning bolts are applied, we can put our offset on. I chose this really pretty teal color. All of the vinyl that I use for this cup is from a local shop called Vinyl Fun. My phone did stop recording for some reason, but I put the little stars on. I used a holographic silver, and then it cut out again. I don't know why it stopped recording, but the decal I made, it says 40 and Fabulous, and I used a really pretty rainbow vinyl. After that decal is on, we are ready for our finishing coats of epoxy. I believe I did 2 more. And then we're going to do the butt of the cup now. So I had like probably 10 mLs of epoxy, and I'm just splitting it up so I can put my black glitter in 1 cup. I used Evil Queen from the Inspired Angels, and that's going to go in the outer, really skinny part. And then I mixed Hot Flamingo and Flip Flop in the other one, and that's going to go in the center. I did keep this part at regular speed so you can see how slow I went. I just took a very little bit on my popsicle stick and just let it drip inside there since the area is so skinny. I didn't want to make a huge mess. And then guess what? It stopped recording again, but I poured that pink in the middle there, and I'm using my popsicle stick to kind of push it up against the sides and make sure it's in there all nice and even. I'm gonna pop my bubbles, and I'm gonna let this cure, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do just a clear epoxy layer just to make sure it's all nice and smooth. And then that's it. She is finished. I love the way this cup turned out. If you guys like this cup, make sure to give it a like and please subscribe. Thank you.